Attach the EVS flex channels tube holder on the side of the endoscope with the control wheels. Insert endoscope into the EVS flex channel flexible head. Orient the endoscope's working/biopsy channel next to the flexible head suction channel. Peel backing filament number 1 and wrap strip number 2 around the endoscope. Then peel off number 3 filament. Connect the main connector to the main connector socket in the workstation. Place the irrigation tubing into the irrigation pump. Then close the irrigation pump head. Remove the irrigation tube spikes cap. Connect the irrigation tubing to the bottle or to the irrigation bag. Ensure that the irrigation line clamp is open. Connect the suction line to the waste container. And ensure that at least one port, in addition to the vacuum port, is open on the container. Or connect the suction line to a waste bag. And place it on the bracket correctly. Place the suction tubing into the suction pump. Then close the suction pump head. Connect the EVS flex channel to the umbilical section by the inline connector. Make sure the inline connector is attached correctly between the flex channel and the umbilical section. Attach the inline connector clip to the endoscope umbilical section. Close the irrigation line clamp. Point the tip of the endoscope into an empty container or a sponge. Press the drain button and wait for the drain cycle to complete. Disconnect the inline connector clip. Carefully remove the strips from the endoscope by pulling the strips. Pull back the EVS flex channel from the end of the distal tip of the endoscope. Remove the tube holder. Open the pump heads and pull the tubes out. Disconnect the umbilical from the workstation by depressing the main connector button. If waste container was used, disconnect the suction tubing from the waste container. If waste bag is used, it can remain connected to suction tubing. Disconnect the tubing from the bottle or bag and discard irrigation source. Discard entire device following normal facility procedures.